Hay terremoto. Aquí en Chile, hay un terremoto de 8,8 grados. Los terremotos son muy graves y pueden dañar la salud de varias personas. Por favor, apaga sus dispositivos y tele, agáchense debajo de una mesa y lleva los objetos a un lugar diferente.
Hay un terremoto de 8,8 grados. Los terremotos son muy graves y pueden dañar la salud de varias personas. Por favor, apaga sus dispositivos y tele, agáchense debajo de una mesa y lleva los objetos a un lugar diferente.
Relleno con la crema bidón de siempre. Por una exquisita forma de cuidar tu bidón.
At this time it is advised that you lock all your doors and windows. Do not open the door for anyone even if it looks like a normal human being. Even if you hear your door open or window shatter, do not react. Find a safe hiding place in your home and do not make any noise. If a family member is outside, do not intend to pick them up. Make sure to turn off all television sets and radios once this broadcast is complete. I repeat, do not have your television on once this broadcast is finished. If you see anyone who looks like a human on your television set with impossible features, look away as quickly as possible. It is very important to hide all children from television sets with disturbing imagery. If you hear anyone in your yard or inside your house that sounds like a human, assume it isn't. If you have access to any loaded weaponry, make sure to have it on you at all times. If you see anyone who has biologically impossible features, make sure to run and hide. If you see a clone of yourself or somebody else you know, run and hide. Don't try to save your pets from any harm that may happen if an intrusion occurs, because it could cost you your life. Make sure to hide your children and be prepared for the worst.